Hello friends, today we are going to make masoor dal, that is whole masoor dal. Let us go through the ingredients. I have taken 1 cup masoor. I have boiled it with 2 cups of water and I have added 1 teaspoon salt. So that 1 cup of masoor dal has almost become triple the quantity. I will be using 5 to 6 cloves of garlic, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, half teaspoon of asafoetida, that is hing powder, 1 tablespoon of malwani masala from market, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of mustard seeds and half teaspoon of cumin seeds, 5 to 6 curry leaves. I will be using 1 small tomato roughly chopped, 1 small onion roughly chopped, some coriander leaves and 2 tablespoon oil. So friends, let's start making it. My vessel is heated up nicely. Add oil. Keep the gas on medium flame. Once the oil is heated up nicely, first you add your mustard seeds and cumin seeds. Let the mustard seeds and cumin seeds flutter completely. Now I am going to add garlic cloves. Give it a stir. At this point of time, I am also going to add the asafoetida powder. We don't want to burn our garlic, so let's quickly add onions. Curry leaves. I will be adding 1 teaspoon salt here. This is the most easiest recipe when we are bored of eating the normal yellow dal. I make this for my family. Everyone loves it and enjoys it. And it is very easy to make. Within 20 minutes you can make this dal. Now I am going to add all the other spices, chili powder, malwani masala and turmeric powder. Let the masalas and the onions fry properly. Now I am going to add tomatoes. I am going to lower my flame, keep it on low flame so that you do not burn all the masala. Let the tomatoes cook and become soft for about 2 minutes. So friends, after 2 minutes, tomatoes have turned mushy. Now let's add the coriander leaves. Give it a stir. Now let's add the boiled masoor dal to this. Stir it well. If you want, you can add more water. If you want to keep it thick, because as the dal keeps on boiling, it becomes thick. So if you want to add little water, you can. If you want to do not want to increase the watery consistency, then you can keep it like this. But I have removed some water after the dal was boiled, so I'm going to add little water to it. Now let this dal boil for about 3 minutes on low flame. So friends, after 3 minutes, let's check on our dal. Our dal is ready. See, the consistency is perfect. Let's serve it with some steamed rice. So friends, our masoor dal is ready. This dal goes well with chapati, and today we are going to have steamed rice, so it goes well with steamed rice also, and some mango pickle. So do try this recipe, very easy to make. Kindly like, share and subscribe my channel. I also want to thank all my subscribers. I've got my first 100 subscribers. So thank you to all of you and keep supporting me.